Hey everyone, forgot your Mega password? No worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Mega password and regain access to your account. Yeah, the process is simple, and it only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the official Mega website. Click the Login button, then look for the Forgot Your Password option on the Sign In page. Click it to begin the password recovery process. Next, enter the email address linked to your Mega account and submit the request. Make sure you type the correct email address so the reset instructions are sent to the right inbox. Mega will send you a password reset email. Open your inbox and look for the message from Mega. If you don't see it after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the password reset link. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. Now enter a new password that's strong and unique. Type it again to confirm, then save the changes. I mean, using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters helps keep your account more secure. Once your password has been updated successfully, return to the Mega login page and sign in using your email address and your new password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the additional verification step after entering your new password. So you'll regain full access to your account once the verification is complete. And that's how you reset your Mega password. With these simple steps, you can recover your account and continue accessing your files securely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.